Hi guys, this is just last minute video just to wish you all the very best for CAT 2016. Just keep a couple of things in mind. Do remember that it's possible that the pattern of CAT might change this year. However, there should be no change with respect to your strategy. If the pattern does change, the expected thing is that the number of questions in verbal might increase. So just keep one thing in mind, that last year around 57 was the cutoff. I'm talking about scale score here. 57 was the cutoff for a 90 percentile in the verbal and RC section. This year that might probably just go up by say about 10 to 12 marks, which is just about 3 to 4 net corrects. So that means about a 65 to 70 would be a 90 percentile if there are 44 questions in verbal. Quant and LRDI, there shouldn't be much of a difference, just that if the number of questions in quant do go down, then the level might increase. So you perhaps wouldn't need to go ahead and attempt 90% of the questions like was the case last year. Roughly about 70% of the total number of questions, if they are attempted by you, would be a decent attempt. And when it comes to DILR as well, do note that basis last year, 12 to 15 questions, if you were getting them all correct, was a good attempt. So go ahead and keep that in mind, maintain your calm, go ahead, concentrate on question selection, use the first 4 to 5 minutes of each section to go through the question paper, use the question paper button as well, obviously, to understand what the structure is. Maintain your calm, temperament is going to be the key. Go ahead, ace the paper, and then come back and join us for the post-CAT analysis on careerlauncher.com/CAT. So see you all there tomorrow, and all the very best for CAT 2016.